Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday. I hope you are enjoying your week and are doing lots of fun things while you're at home and staying safe and spending lots of time with your family and hopefully not giving your parents a hard time and doing all of your work. So, for the past few days, we've been working on strategies for addition and subtraction facts, and we're going to continue doing that today. So here we go. Here's where we can start. It says, complete the subtraction equations. So we have 6 take away blank equals 4. Well, if I break it down, I can see that the 4 is right here. And the 6 is here. So the only number left is 2. We can check our work by counting up to 6 from 2 and make sure we have 4 left over. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 4 lines, so our answer is correct. Let's do the same thing with this one. Well, we have 9 take away 3. We have the 9 and we have the 3. So that means 6 is our answer. 9 take away 3 is 6. And if we wanted to double check, let's count up from 3 to 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 6 lines drawn, so our answer is correct. Here's our last one for today for this problem. We have blank take away 5 is 5. Well, we have a 5 and we have another 5, which means 10 goes right here. So we have 10 take away 5 is 5, and we could check that by adding the 2 5s to check our answer. So 5 plus 5 is a doubles fact, and that equals 10. So that problem is correct. Here's a new problem for today. It says, Lila notices a pattern on the fact table. What could be some patterns she notices? Color to show the patterns. So we know this problem is about Lila and how she notices patterns on the fact table. So that's what the problem is about. Now, let's figure out what we're trying to find out. It says, what could be some patterns she notices? And then we need to color to show the patterns. Well, let's start here. Let's take my yellow marker. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. All of these are facts with 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. So that means these are also facts with 1. If we go this way, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4. These are all facts with 2. And if we go down, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2. These all have facts with 2 as well. We can also check by going diagonal. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. All of these will have the same number as addends. 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. So there we go. There's some patterns that we've noticed. Let's look at the next slide to see if there are any more. So here it says, look at the facts in the colored boxes. So this is very similar. It's the same table that was in that. So here we have, oh, here's one I didn't notice before. We talked about facts with 1. Those are in the yellow. We have facts with 2, which are in the green. We have doubles facts, which we talked about, and one of them that we didn't talk about was partners for 10. So the purple are all partners for 10. And you can tell that they're partners for 10 because their total is 10. So there are some patterns that we've noticed. Here's another problem. It says, apply your thinking to a new problem. Fill out the missing totals in the table. Complete the subtraction equations. So, all of these problems, these ones have 4 as an addend in this. And these bottom ones all have 5. So we need to fill out these problems. If we remember from yesterday, if we're going down, we count up by 1. So, to prove our thinking, if we count up from 5, 1 more would be 6. We can double check our answer by looking at 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. If we have 6, 7, 8 will be next. After 8 comes 9. And after 9 comes 10. All right, now we need to solve this problem. It says 6 take away 5 equals, I wonder. Well, I could check here. We have a 6 in that problem. We have a 5, and the 1 is left over. 6 take away 5 is 1. We could also solve this by putting up 6 fingers and putting 5 down. We will have 1 finger up, so that means the answer is 1. What about 7 take away 5? We have a 7, we have a 5, our answer will be 2. 8 take away 5, we have an 8, we have a 5, and our answer will be 3. So notice how all of our answers have been this number so far. 9 take away 5, we have a 9, we have a 5, and 4 is left over. 10 take away 5, we have a 10, we have a 5, and 5 are left over. So there's a strategy you could use when solving subtraction facts. Look at the table. Circle the ways to make 7. Complete the addition equations. So what we need to do is circle the ways to make 7 and complete addition equations. Well, 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Let's look at the next row. 3 plus 4 equals 7. I'm noticing that they're all going in a diagonal line. So here are all the ways we can make 7. Now, let's take our marker and fill out the ways. So the first one is 1. Oh, let's choose a different marker. 1 plus 6. 2 plus 5. So we just did this one and this one. Now we have 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3. Notice how these two just swapped numbers. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3. Now we have 5 and 2. Those both make 7. And 6 plus 1. Notice how 2 and 5 make 7 and 5 and 2 make 7. They just swapped the numbers and they still made 7. Here's our last problem for today before you can practice on your own. We have 6 take away blank equals 3. Well, we should look for the biggest number as the answer. And the biggest number in this problem so far is 6. Well, we see 6 here, and we have a 3. So that means the leftover number is 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. Here we have 7. Let's find which one has 7. Well, this one has 7. And we have a 4, which means 7 take away 3 would equal 4. Here's another problem with 7. And we have a 3 in the problem. So 7 take away 3 equals 4. So we have the 3 in the problem, and the total is 4. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Now we have an 8. And we have a 4 in our last equation, and 4 are left over. 8 take away 4 equals 4. We could also check our work by adding 4 and 4 together, which is a doubles equation, and we would get 8 left over. And that is the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice. You're going to be able to have the chance to show me what you've learned so far and practice our new skills by completing one of the iReady pages. You can check what page number you should be completing for today on the First Grade Math Group website. If you have any questions, I am always here and ready to help and very happy to help. You can always have a parent email me, text me, or call me on my phone. Everything they need for that is on the First Grade Math Group website. All right, I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I miss you very, very much. I hope you have a great day and you do some fun things after you're done with your schoolwork. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.